Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
We will quickly diagnose why Touch ID is not responding on your iPhone 7. Start by checking the home button and surrounding screen for dirt, oil, or moisture. Try unlocking with a dry finger 5 times, cleaning gently with a lint-free cloth. Open Settings, tap Touch ID and passcode, and ensure at least one fingerprint is enrolled. If fingerprints exist, delete them all and re-enroll up to 5 fingerprints slowly. If this first round fails, move to software troubleshooting steps in the next slide. Now perform a force restart on your iPhone 7 to clear temporary glitches. Press and hold the sleep/wake and volume down buttons together for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. After reboot, update to the latest iOS in Settings General Software Update if available. If Touch ID still fails, reset all settings to preserve data while restoring defaults. As a last software step, back up and perform a full restore via iTunes or Finder. Proceed to Hardware Solutions if the restore does not fix the Touch ID issue. Hardware faults often cause persistent Touch ID problems on iPhone 7 devices. Third-party home button replacement will disable Touch ID because of secure pairing to the logic board. Genuine Apple repairs preserve Touch ID and should be sought at an Apple Store or authorized service provider. Apple repair costs vary. Expect approximately $49 to $49 depending on coverage and damage. Always back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer before any repair or full restore. If repair is not feasible,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.